It won't come off. It's stuck. It's stuck. Yes, I have a problem with my FreeStyle Libre. Yeah, I used my new method 2 weeks ago to make it stick better, and now I can't take it off. Can you help me? Great, thank you so much. In this video, I'm gonna respond to number one question that all Libre users are asking. How do you make your sensor stick better and last for the full 14 days? I finally found the answer. Let's go! Thanks a lot to Skin Grip for sponsoring this video and sending me all these great sensor patches. A lot of you have been reaching out to me and complaining that you knocked your sensor off right on your first day. And some of you have been reaching out asking me what I do to make my sensor stick on. If I use an armband, overpatch, or what is my approach. So I decided to make this video and in true Type 1 TAKLS fashion share with you 10 powerful steps that help me keep my sensor on for the full 2 weeks. Now make sure you watch the video all the way to the end because each of these steps can only make this much, but if you combine them all in this exact same sequence, it might really make a big difference. So let's get right into it, and just keep in mind I'm no medical professional and this is no medical advice. Yeah, I'm just a random type 1 diabetic freak. Step number one is pick a flat spot on your skin that's well protected and not exposed. This is critical because the sensor holds much better on a flat spot, like this inner side of your upper arm or top of your chest. These spots are much better protected from things like door frames, your clothes, or straps of your bag because they are not exposed, they are covered, they are on the inside, and this makes them really good and durable options. And make sure your skin is not damaged in the spot that you pick because the sensor doesn't stick that well to a damaged or dead skin. Step number two is optional and only applies if your skin is damaged. And step number two is exfoliate. Exfoliating is a process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin using special substance or exfoliating tool. I learned that from my friend Michelle, who has a great diabetes lifestyle channel, link in the description. Well, her channel is more for girls really, but I watch it, she has great tips. Check her out. Step 3 is properly wash your skin, especially the spot where you want to place your sensor. So let's go to the shower. I always wash my skin with hot water and soap or shower gel. The best soap is the one that doesn't have any coloring, aromatic or hydrating components, because all these things can make your skin a little bit more oily and that makes the sensor adhesive less effective. So if you struggle with your sensor adhesive sticking, just use non-colored, non-perfumed, basically the most basic soap there is on the market. Step 4, again optional, you might want to shave your skin when you have a lot of hairs, because the adhesive sticks much better to a smooth skin. I don't really shave the spot that much anymore because I realized for me it doesn't really make a big difference. I'm not as hairy as I thought, but if you are, shave it. Step 5, dry off your skin, clean it with the alcohol swab and let it completely dry off. This step is super important because the alcohol removes any remaining oily elements from your skin, and once your skin is completely dry, it is almost ready for application. Step 6 is again optional but quite effective. You can add an extra layer of adhesive like skin prep between your skin and the sensor adhesive. This again helps the sensor stick better, and I'll have a link for you in the description below. Now wait until the adhesive is tacky, but don't let it completely dry. And in the meantime, you can get your FreeStyle Libre sensor ready. My wife likes to say, "Tom, you just have to be more efficient." Step 7, line up the sensor with where you place the adhesive and insert it. You can also use the popular YouTube spoon trick to ensure that the edges of the sensor adhesive tape are pressed firmly against your skin. Step number 8 is again optional but very effective. Use Skin Grip to protect your sensor. Now I like these patches a lot because they provide me additional protection, especially on hot days when I work out, when I sweat a lot, or when I'm in and out of water. They come in different colors and they are quite flexible, so they move with your body. At the same time, they don't soak a lot of water when you get in the pool or in the shower, so they dry off really fast, which makes them stick really well. Now, to put this bad boy on the back of your arm requires some one-handed skills, but the paper tabs on the back of the patch are divided into 5 pieces, and this makes the placement much more user-friendly. If you are not talented, just like me, you can get 2 more hands to help you out. Now, I partnered with Skin Grips for this video and they give additional 10% discount to you viewers of my channel if you use the discount link below or discount code Type1Talks. So if you want to try them out, go ahead. You can also support my channel this way. Step number 9 is wait 1 hour before any wet or sweaty activity, because the sweat or water right after the application might make the adhesive and your sensor adhesive come off. And after 1 hour you should be good to go, and you can go on for 2 weeks. Just remember step number 10, be mindful of door frames, seat belts, straps of your bag, straps of your bra. Guys, if you want to see more tips for FreeStyle Libre sensors, click on the playlist on the screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified when I release a new video. On this channel I talk about diabetes technology, blood sugar management, and I help you navigate your diabetes journey. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next Type1Talks video. Ciao!